We weren't expecting this. We flew into Geneva and spotted one of Europe's tallest fountains from the sky, so we had to get a closer look. And in true us fashion, we did it from the water. It's funny how being on the water, even for a short while, instantly feels like home to us. This is what it looked like from the lake. We didn't film much on the boat, we just wanted to soak it up really, but here's just a little glimpse of the ride and some of Geneva's beauty from the water. No cabins, no buffets, just a peaceful glide across Lake Geneva in some of the clearest water we have ever seen. We're just coming to the end of our hour-long cruise around Lake Geneva. This area was lovely here, where this lighthouse was. That little jetty that comes out, I don't know, you call it a jetty. There were people diving off there. And then they had little pontoons out on the sea where they would swim over, and they had diving boards and things. They were really cool. I reckon all the locals must spend a lot of time here. And if you are staying in Geneva and you don't have a swimming pool, this is a perfect place to come and cool off. And how cool is this little train? We took this and did a little tour of the waterfront. Really lovely. And at first we wasn't overly impressed with Geneva as a city until we discovered the old town. And of course, old towns are always beautiful. So strolling around here, we had some lunch here. There was a lovely church, some gorgeous buildings. Yeah, it was lovely to spend a bit of time walking around here. We had a lovely day in Geneva. But one word of warning, bring your money. It is very, very expensive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got loads more content due. We've got some more of Annecy, some more of the Alps, but also got a lot of cruise content coming this year. So hope to see you on some future vlogs.